Hello everyone. Today we will learn a new concept in quadratic equation, that is nature of the roots of a quadratic equation. So let's start to learn. Now let's start to learn new concept in this chapter, that is nature of the roots of a quadratic equation. So students, let's start. What is quadratic equation? We know that quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Okay. So first write down here ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Clear? So this is the quadratic equation. Now when I ask you what is the solution of this equation, okay, listen students, when I ask you what is the solution of this equation, then we use a formula, that is x equals to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, so this formula we learned in our previous practice set. Okay, so now this is quadratic equation, this is the formula method. Okay, so now when I ask you the nature of this roots, this nature, so this nature is depends on this formula. Okay, so first look at here, b square minus 4ac. So this b square minus 4ac, this is the main part of this nature of an root. So first students, we have to find out the value of b square minus 4ac. When we find out this value, so this value they are denoted with a d. D is what? Discriminant. Okay, you can write down d also, or this is del also. So delta d and b square minus 4ac all are equal with each other. Clear? Now students, nature of and root of a quadratic equation we can find out in three ways. Okay, in three ways we can find out the nature of the roots. So the first way is b square minus 4ac equals to 0. Clear? When b square minus 4ac equals to 0, then the roots are real and equal. Clear? So what is the statement? The roots are real and equal. Clear? So this is the first way we can find out the nature of the roots. So when we substitute, so first find out this value. Clear? So we have this formula, we can substitute x equals to this one, x equals to minus b plus or minus under root of, what is b square minus 4ac is a 2 upon 2a. So students, in short, you just understood that b square minus 4ac equals to 0 when roots are real and equal. Clear? And when they are equals to 0, just substitute the value in under root of this, and after simplification you will get the roots, means the value of x. Clear? Now come to the next nature of the roots. Second one, that is b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Okay, when it is greater than 0, the roots are real and unequal. Clear? Unequal na, because they are greater than 0. When it is equal sign, we get equal. When they are greater than, it is unequal. Clear? Isn't it easy? Yes. So what is the next? So then x equals to, now when you get greater than 0, means the value will be in positive. Clear? म्हणजे जो आपल्याला नंबर भेटल that is in positive real number, म्हणजे 1 2 3 up to infinite number. क्लियर? म्हणजे ते ग्रेटर दॅन 0 असणार. मग ग्रेटर दॅन 0 व्हॅल्यू काय असतात? इन पॉझिटिव्ह फॉर्म मध्ये असतात. क्लियर? नाव कम टू द नेक्स्ट वन, दॅट इज द थर्ड वन इज b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Then the roots are not real, right? Then the roots are not real means what? They are less than, means ते कशात असणार? मायनसच्या फॉर्म मध्ये असणार. क्लियर स्टुडंट्स? मायनस म्हणजे नेगेटिव्ह व्हॅल्यू, means the value will in negative. Clear? In negative म्हणजे any value, -1, -2, any value you can take, -10 up to infinite number. Clear? So we have a 3 ways, that is b square minus 4ac equals to 0, then the roots are real and equal. Now in second, b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the roots are real and unequal. Unequal why? Because they are greater than 0. So therefore the value will be in positive because that value is greater than 0. Okay. Now come to the third one. B square minus 4ac is less than 0. Less than 0 means what? This is in negative form. Clear? Less than 0. So the roots are not real number. Clear? So that means the value will be in negative form. So students, this nature of the roots we can use in our practice set. Okay, so write down or take a screenshot. Now let's learn next concept, that is the relation between roots of the quadratic equation and the coefficient. Right. So in this concept, the relation between their roots. Okay, so in this concept we assume the two roots, that is alpha plus beta. Right. These two roots are equation of the quadratic, that is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Clear? So this is the standard form of quadratic equation. So students, in previous practice set we learn x equals to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Then we get two roots. ओके, म्हणजे आपल्याला दोन व्हॅल्यूज भेटलेल्या, एक प्लस मध्ये आणि एक मायनस मध्ये. क्लिअर? सो त्या प्लस आणि मायनसला वी अज्युम अल्फा अँड बीटा. नाउ स्टुडंट्स लुक ॲट हियर, देयर इज अ साइन ऑफ प्लस और मायनस. मग अल्फा, व्हेन वी राइट डाउन अल्फा, so minus b, take only plus value. Okay, plus sign. So plus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. When we write down the formula of beta, beta equals to minus b, write only minus sign, minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Clear? So students, with the help of this formula method we get a two roots. So first one is with plus sign and another one is with minus sign. Clear students? मीन्स आपण हे जे रूट्स एक्झाम्पल्स मार्फत सॉल्व केले होते, बट इन रिलेशन वी टेक विथ द फॉर्म्युलाज. ओके, सो नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट वन, दॅट इज सम ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट अँड sum of the roots and the product of the roots. Sum means what? Plus, and product means what? Multiplication. And roots is what? Alpha plus beta. So write down the alpha and beta च्या व्हॅल्यू लिहायच्या आहेत with the help of sign sum, and another alpha and beta चा फॉर्म्युला लिहायचा आहे with the help of sign multiplication. Clear? So how to write? So sum means what? Alpha plus beta. Clear? अल्फा प्लस बीटा लिहिलं. नंतर what is the value of alpha? ही. And what is the value of beta? This. So write down here minus b plus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and write down the sign here plus, कारण आपण sum लिहिलं आहे म्हणून. Clear? So what is beta? Beta is what? Minus b minus of under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Clear? Now what is the next step? आता when we first write down this one as it is, minus b plus of under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a written. Now plus minus we get minus sign here. Clear? minus ची sign लिहायचे, minus of b आणि plus minus again minus. Clear? And under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now you have to clear that. Now the what is the next term? So इथे मायनस साइन आहे, इथे मायनस साइन आहे, त्याला काही करायचं नाही. ते प्लस आणि मायनस गेट कॅन्सल, म्हणजे या दोघांना आपण काय करणार? कॅन्सल. ओके, व्हॉट इज द रिमेनिंग? जे रिमेन्स राहिलेलं आहे ते लिहायचं. क्लिअर? सो मायनस बी वी गेट minus 2b. क्लिअर? Now this 2a and this 2a write down common, that is 2a. Now this 2 get cancel. 2 आणि 2 कॅन्सल झाल्यावरती what we remains? So minus b upon a. Clear? So sum of the product, when I ask you sum of the products, so you have to tell that minus b upon a. Clear? So write down here alpha plus beta is equals to minus b upon a. So this is the main formula when we use in our practice set. Clear? When I ask you what is the sum of the roots, you just tell that alpha plus beta is equals to minus b upon a. Clear, students? Now come to the next one. Product of the root. Product means what? Alpha into beta. Clear? So write down what is the alpha minus b plus under root of b square minus 4ac. Clear? Upon 2a. Sign इथे काय आहे? Multiplication. Written. And what is beta? Minus b minus of under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now clear? Nantar. So what is the next? So minus b means this one and this one multiply करायचं because same आहे हे आणि हे या दोघांचं multiplication करायचं. Clear? So take with the bracket, then it is easy. So मी इथे ह्याला bracket करूया. Minus पहिल्यांदा minus b plus b square minus 4ac. Okay, close the bracket. आणि इथे multiplication again minus b minus of b square minus 4ac. Close the bracket. Now the whole upon. हे 2a आणि 2a काय होणार? 2 2s 4. a multiply a square. Clear? जेव्हा आपल्याला मल्टिप्लिकेशनचं साइन असणार तेव्हा आपण मल्टिप्लाय करतो, राईट? इन आवर लोअर क्लास वी लर्न जेव्हा प्रोडक्ट असेल न्यूमरेटर मल्टिप्लाय विथ न्यूमरेटर, डिनॉमिनेटर मल्टिप्लाय विथ डिनॉमिनेटर. ओके, सो दॅट यू लर्न इन युअर 6th स्टँडर्ड. क्लिअर? नाउ व्हॉट इज द नेक्स्ट? नेक्स्ट टर्मला काय करणार आपण? हा बी मायनस बी द होल स्क्वेअर करणार. हा अंडर रूटचे 2 आहेत हे यांना होल स्क्वेअर करणार. क्लिअर? सो मायनस मायनस काय होणार? प्लस. सो राईट डाऊन हिअर बी स्क्वेअर. क्लिअर? नाव प्लस मायनस मायनस. क्लिअर? प्लस मायनस काय होणार? मायनस. आणि हा स्क्वेअर रूट कॅन्सल होऊन म्हणजे फर्स्ट राईट डाऊन हिअर बी स्क्वेअर मायनस 4ac the whole square. Clear? Next step upon 4a square. Written? What is the next step? b square write down as it is minus. हा under root हा cancel होणार. Under root means half असतो आणि हा 2 get cancel. So what is the remains? b square minus 4ac. Clear? So 4ac लिहायचं upon 4a square. Now b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. Now next one is b square get cancel. Okay, because इथे प्लसचं साइन आहे इथे मायनसचं साइन आहे. हे कॅन्सल झाल्यावरती रिमेन्स काय असणार? 4ac upon 4a square. क्लिअर? ना 4ac लिहा आणि याला आपण फॅक्टराइज करूया. 4a आणि अजून एक a. क्लिअर? सो हा 4a आणि हा 4a कॅन्सल झाल्यावरती रिमेन्स काय असणार? c upon a. Clear? So alpha into beta, what we get? c upon a. So this is the product of the root. So write down here alpha into beta equals to c upon a. Clear, students? When I ask you what is the product of roots, you should give the answer alpha into beta equals to c upon a. So students, this concept we use in our practice set 2.5. Clear? So the first one, the relation of the roots of the quadratic equation and their coefficient is what? Sum of the roots and the product of the roots. Clear? So students, write down or take a screenshot, and I hope you clear this concept. Students, in the next lecture we will learn a practice set 2.5 which is based on this concept.